In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Acuity scheduling. Let's get started by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. Open up your preferred internet browser and type in the website address for Acuity scheduling. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the home page of this powerful scheduling tool, ready to dive into its functionalities. The next step is as simple as clicking on the Login button. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed, beckoning users to access their accounts and make the most of Acuity's functionalities. After clicking Login, you're one step closer to customizing your scheduling experience to match your time zone preferences. Now it's time to identify yourself to the platform. You'll be prompted to type in your email address, the unique identifier that tells Acuity who you are among the millions of users. Enter your email carefully to avoid any typos that could hinder your progress. Once you've input your email, look for the Next button and give it a click. This button is your gateway to further verification steps and closer to accessing your account. It signifies your readiness to move forward in the login process. In some cases, you might encounter an option to continue with Google. This is especially handy if your Acuity account is tied to a Google account, providing a seamless integration and a quicker login pathway. Click on Continue with Google to leverage this convenience. Upon choosing to continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the account linked to your Acuity scheduling so the systems can sync up, ensuring you're working within the correct framework and access level for your account. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the Availability section. This is where Acuity allows you to define and manage your availability to clients, but it's also where you can adjust time zone settings. The path to this section might vary slightly based on updates to the Acuity interface, but generally it's located within the Settings or Scheduling Preferences area. Once in the Availability section, you're going to look for a link or heading titled Global Scheduling Limits. This area governs the overarching rules for your scheduling calendar, including how many appointments you take and when. It's a hub for setting up the groundwork that ensures your scheduling operates smoothly and according to your preferences. Within the global scheduling limits, find and click on the time zone link. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. This is where you tailor your scheduling environment to match your local time, ensuring your appointments sync up with your actual availability, regardless of where you or your clients might be in the world. Upon clicking the time zone link, you'll likely see a list of time zones to choose from. Among these, you might initially spot the GMT +800, Manila time zone pre-selected or highlighted due to default settings or previous selections. This step is where Acuity shows its versatility, catering to users from all over the globe. Now, the crucial part, choosing your time zone. Scroll through the list until you find the time zone that corresponds to your location. This ensures that all your appointments are set according to your local time, avoiding any confusion for you or your clients. The time zones are usually listed in an intuitive manner, making it easy to find the right one whether you're in New York or New Delhi. After selecting your time zone, make sure to save your changes. This action finalizes your preference, aligning your Acuity scheduling calendar with your local time zone. From this point forward, all the appointments and scheduling you do in Acuity will reflect this time zone, streamlining your booking process and ensuring you're always on top of your schedule, no matter where you or your clients are located. And that's it. You've successfully changed your time zone in Acuity scheduling. By following these steps, you've ensured that your scheduling system is in perfect harmony with your current location, making it easier to manage appointments and stay organized. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or anyone in need of scheduling solutions, keeping your time zone updated in Acuity is fundamental to smooth operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your scheduling software and other tools to streamline your day-to-day tasks.